Why hike with me in 2025? I mean, my YouTube channel, of course, Hiking with Cam. I'm Cam, by the way, and my channel covers all things backpacking and hiking, with an emphasis on tips, tricks, and hacks. I want to highlight 5 things about my channel, talk about lessons learned from 2024, look ahead to what I've got planned for 2025. My channel is about backpacking and hiking with a DIY twist. I've always loved tinkering, building, and learning new skills. During the pandemic, I really leaned into DIY hobbies. I picked up sewing and I fell in love with the make-your-own gear community. I learned to weld and I built 2 bikes by myself. I got my amateur radio license. I even talked to someone in space.
Kilo 4 Delta Charlie Alpha for NA1SS.
Kilo 4 Delta Charlie Alpha, November Alpha 1 Sierra Sierra. Welcome aboard the International Space Station.
Somewhere along the way, I rediscovered my love for backpacking and hiking and just being outside in general. So I want to bring the same DIY, hacking, and tinkering mentality to backpacking and hiking. I did this in 2024 with several of my videos. In 2025, I want to keep thinking outside the box with gear. How can we improve our gear and our experience in the backcountry with simple tips, tricks, and hacks? But it's not just about the gear, I'm also bringing you along on the journey. My ultimate dream is to thru hike the Appalachian Trail, but for now I'm tackling it in sections. I try to do around 100 to 200 miles a year. I've documented every one of my AT trips so far, and I'll keep doing that. Watching other hikers vlog their thru hikes has been a huge inspiration for me, and I want to share my story in the same way. I love the physical and mental challenge of long distance hiking. Actually, I love challenges just in general. The Maryland Challenge was one of my favorite AT trips. Also, channels like Camping with Steve have taught me to think outside of the box. I just love what Steve does. This guy will challenge himself to stealth camp in weird spots like a traffic roundabout or a neighborhood park. I'm really interested in trying this myself, but with an ultralight twist. Who knows, you might even see a stealth camping video from me one day. I'm into so many different things, I have so many hobbies, and I suspect you are too. So a lot of my videos might delve into other topics. For example, like e-biking, woodworking, drones, content creation, 3D printing. The list really goes on and on. I'm just the kind of guy that gets interested in stuff. I read a lot, I see things, I look on the internet a lot, and I see things that I'm interested in and I want to try them myself. And then I want to make videos about them because I genuinely like making videos to share it with you guys. I don't see my channel as just another gear review channel. I love gear just as much as you do. I buy new gear a lot, I make new gear a lot, and I love gear. However, I don't want to just sit at a desk and try gear. I would rather bring the gear out in the field and do a more vlog style video that's showing my experience with the gear out on the field in the backcountry. Actually, I want to try various kinds of videos, YouTube shorts, long form videos. I want to take risks and be creative for you guys and just see what works and see what you guys want to see and what you respond to. Once again, thank you for being my audience. I look forward to 2025 and all the cool content that we can create. Thank you for subscribing, for commenting, for engaging with my content. Here's to 2025, and I'll see you out there.